David, I'm so excited to have you here at KBIS 2026.
Excited to be here.
Let me show you what's going on in our Fit and Max laundry section. So we're introducing here at KBIS 2026 our newest 5.5 cubic foot capacity washing machines that sit in a 27-inch platform. So it's a standard width, but you can get up to 5.5 cubic feet of wash space. You know, that's like almost an extra volleyball of laundry you can fit in over what we've been able to do before without changing the side. Of course, we have easy dispense inside of there.
Okay.
And with AI Wash powered by ThinQ, it'll actually recognize what the fabrics are that you're washing and curate that laundry specific for every load. And then it will tell the dryer what it just washed and actually dry perfect for that fabric. Listen, David, AI Wash is not just available in our front loaders, but also our top loaders. And like this 8400 here, which is amazing, but we're highlighting the world's first top load heat pump dryer. So this is a ventless dryer. Yeah, you don't need to vent this out using heat pump technology. It just needs to be plugged in and have a drain. So we're bringing heat pump to just about everything. We're talking about a new heat pump WashTower with a brand new interface. It looks absolutely fantastic.
It does.
But the star of the show over here, David, is we're taking that same 27-inch platform and we're bringing our heat pump all-in-one to this.
I love the all-in-one.
I do too. So throw your laundry in there, and in about 90 minutes, it can go from dirty to ready to hang dry.
In 90 minutes?
In 90 minutes without a vent. So just a drain. We also are talking about a vented version of this, which can do a load of laundry in about 70 minutes or so. So we'll have vented and ventless options, all in our laundry section and introduced here at KBIS 2026.
I'm looking forward to the new ones coming out.
Well, let's go check out the next section, okay?